Okay, so this is the final revolved plant pot I'm going to make today. It is concave instead of convex. It's very similar to the last one. I just wanted to show them both. And this is going to be a spline. So everything else will be a line and that curve will be a spline. So I'm going to get my line tool. I'm actually going to draw this line, this line, this line, and this line first, and then I'll do the spline last. So lined up with the origin, I'm going to actually draw from here to lined up with the origin, and then straight up to this top corner, and then out to this corner, and then down. And now I'm going to escape so that I can add my spline in. So between there and there is going to be a spline. And I can either curve it now and click and trim, or I can just hit escape and then edit that spline. So you'll see the handles here. I'm going to click on the top one and drag up. And you'll see that I get that nice curved shape. And once we're happy with it, we're going to smart dimension this so that it's the right shape and size for our plant pot. So 60 millimeters there. Our ridge probably 15 millimeters. The bottom needs to be fatter than that. I think it needs to be 30 millimeters, about half. And then its height should be about 120. Okay. And I just zoomed so that you could see it all on the one page. And now I'm going to revolve that shape. So now that I'm happy, tick, exit sketch. And I'm going to click on that sketch and then go to revolved base. And then it will ask me for an axis of revolution. And the axis is this one here. Okay, let me zoom out. There we go. And I'm happy with that, so I click on the tick button. Right. And there's the end of my concave pot.